Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. So children, today we will learn about how to write a small stories in a cursive writings. Okay, here is I taken one small story for the beginning readers. So like healthy eating. So what are the healthy eating habits, children? So we eat food every day, so we must eat to live and to be well. Why we have to eat? To live and to be well. So eating the right food helps your body grow big and strong. So we put food into groups, so we must eat some food from every group. So this is a balanced diet. So children, balanced diet means we eat good food, that food into so many groups. So it contains that some food from every group. It contains fruits, vegetables, okay, like pulses, like that. So this is a balanced diet. You must eat a balanced diet every day. Healthy food has vitamins and minerals in it. So healthy food contains vitamins and minerals. So this is a small story for children. Okay. So let's begin how to write this small story in cursive handwriting. Okay, let's start. V W we eat food. F-O-O-D, food. We eat food every day. E-V-E-R-Y, every. D-A-Y, every day. We must. M-U-S-T, must. Eat, E-A-T, eat. To, T-O, to. Leave, L-I-V-E, leave. And, A-N-D, and. To be well, T-O, to. B-E, be well, W-E-L-L, well. So, eating, E-A-T-I-N-G, eating. The, T-H-E, the. Right, R-I-G-H-T, right. Food, F-O-O-D, right food. Helps your, H-E-L-P-S, helps. Y-O-U-R, your body. B-O-D-Y, body. Grow, G-R-O-W, grow. Big, B-I-G, big. And A-N-D, and. Strong, S-T-R-O-N-G, big and strong. We put food, F-O-O-D, food into 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 groups. GROUPS groups. We must MUST we must eat 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 SOME some food FOOD some food from 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 every 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 group GROUP group. This THI yes this is a balanced 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 diet DIET diet. You must YOU you must MUST you must eat 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 a balanced diet DIET balanced diet. Every day EVERY every DAY every day. Healthy 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 food 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 has has vitamins 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 and and minerals 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 in it in IT it in it. So like this we have to practice the story writing in cursive letters. Okay, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Bye bye children.